When winter unleashes its worst, the Ego Power Plus SNT2112 stands ready to carve a clear path. Armed with peak power technology, this snowblower harnesses the combined force of two 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, delivering relentless power without the noise, fumes, or pull-start hassle of gas. At its core lies a high-efficiency brushless motor that drives performance while extending lifespan and conserving energy. In a compact body weighing just under 8 ounces, Seal Light stands as a masterclass in portable 3D scanning, bringing lab-grade performance into your hands. This scanner uses a specialized precision blue imaging system that emits light between 400 and 500 nanometers to achieve stunning 0.02 millimeter accuracy. That's 5 times more detail per unit, ideal for reverse engineering, small-scale prototyping, or digital preservation. Packed inside a sleek, travel-friendly form, the HiDock H1 transforms your workspace into an AI-powered command center. This 8-in-1 future-proof docking station doesn't just connect, it elevates. Every meeting, brainstorm, and voice memo is auto-recorded, transcribed, and neatly summarized with lightning-fast precision thanks to integrated GPT-4o AI. No button mashing or post-call scrambling. It's 100% automatic. Record, transcribe, summarize. Built for high-demand users, this compact 8-in-1 charging station delivers relentless power and flawless control. With a massive 260-watt total output, it handles laptops, tablets, phones, wearables, and more, all at once. A PD 140-watt single output means even power-hungry devices like MacBooks charge at full speed without compromise. The charger's sleek interface features a real-time wattage display, keeping you informed with precision. No guessing, no overheating, just efficient performance. Effortless plant care is now possible with the LetPot LPH Max, a groundbreaking indoor gardening system that combines advanced technology with simplicity. The LetPot app makes managing your plants even easier, allowing you to set a 0 to 24-hour LED lighting schedule, ensuring your plants get the right light at the right time. Designed to speed up plant growth, the LPH Max is equipped with a 36-watt full-spectrum LED light that mimics natural sunlight. The Ginkgo Alice mushroom lamp combines style and practicality with its unique design and advanced features. Offering a soothing ambiance, it boasts 7 vibrant RGB color-changing modes, allowing you to set the perfect mood in any setting. The long-life battery ensures extended use, making it ideal for both everyday and occasional lighting needs. Designed with sustainability in mind, the lamp is crafted from FSC-certified wood, highlighting its eco-friendly credentials. Precision meets silence in this cordless powerhouse engineered for serious yard work. Featuring a carbon fiber straight shaft, this trimmer is built to withstand years of heavy-duty trimming while staying lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable cutting width ranges from 15 inches to 17 inches, allowing for precision around garden edges or broad strokes along fences and driveways. Clean air isn't a luxury, it's a daily need. The Quare Plasma Go delivers just that, packing a full-feature purification system into a sleek, go-anywhere form. This isn't just a filter, it's a full-scale defense system against toxins, bacteria, and airborne contaminants. At its core lies the advanced Germagic HEPA 13 filter, engineered to trap particles as small as 0.3 microns. Where most purifiers stop at filtration, the Plasma Go goes further with toxin-killing plasma ion technology. Designed to perform in unforgiving environments, the Dell Latitude 7230 rugged tablet is engineered for professionals who demand reliability without compromise. This 12-inch tablet is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240U vPro processor, delivering responsive multitasking and efficient power use. Running Windows 11 Pro, it offers enterprise-grade security and performance, while the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics support smooth visuals and clear imaging for fieldworker diagnostics. The AOC Zoe A1X stands out as a high-performance portable device engineered for seamless multitasking and immersive experiences. Powered by the AMD HX370 chipset, it ensures rapid processing and effortless handling of demanding tasks. The device is equipped with an 8-inch native landscape display, boasting a 120 Hz refresh rate that enhances fluidity and responsiveness. Whether for gaming, media consumption, or productivity, the variable refresh rate display optimizes visuals for every type of content. Life moves fast, and your floors should stay clean without lifting a finger. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus redefines convenience with its self-empty dock, letting you forget about dustbins for up to 7 weeks. With an upgraded 5,500 Pascal suction, this robot doesn't just sweep. It digs deep, pulling dirt from carpet fibers and floorboard cracks with ease. Equipped with a duo roller brush, it minimizes tangles and maximizes dirt pickup, making pet hair cleanup a breeze. The Dock Orb is a powerful 12-in-1 docking station that completely transforms your workspace. With dual 4K HDMI at 60 Hz, it effortlessly supports 2 high-resolution monitors, offering unmatched visual clarity. It features a versatile array of ports, including 2 USB 3.1 ports and 3 USB 3.0 ports, ensuring quick and seamless data transfer. A steady back means a sharper mind. The Ergear Ego. C3 ergonomic office chair doesn't just support your posture, it actively adapts to it. Designed for long hours at the desk, this chair uses pressure-responsive lumbar technology that pivots and flexes with your every move. Tailored comfort comes from the height-adjustable backrest. With a 2.56-inch vertical range, this ergonomic upgrade ensures proper alignment for users of varying heights. A workday doesn't need to feel static. This L-shaped standing desk lets you move, adjust, and optimize your environment. Designed for both flexibility and durability, this dual-motor standing desk is crafted with a strong steel frame and aerospace-grade connectors, maintaining rock-solid stability even after 100,000 lift cycles. Whether you're deep in focus or multitasking between screens, it stands firm, literally. The top surface spans a generous 63 inches by 55 inches, providing plenty of room for multiple monitors, documents, and devices. No countertop multi-tools perform quite like ChoppingBot. This one-of-a-kind 5-in-1 smart cutting board blends cutting-edge precision with smart design. Weigh ingredients directly on the board thanks to the integrated digital scale, powered by a long-lasting battery. Touch-sensitive buttons make operation intuitive, while the built-in timer ensures every meal stays on track. Sharpen knives mid-prep with the onboard sharpener, then chop and slice confidently across the dual surface board. For gamers who value precision, comfort, and compatibility across devices, the GameSire X5 Lite delivers performance that stays locked in even when action heats up. Just 0.30 pounds, it's lightweight without sacrificing build quality. Its ergonomic shape and laser-engraved textured grips offer comfort during extended sessions. GameSir Hall Effect sticks deliver anti-drift precision, giving players a tactical edge. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. amzn.to redefines convenience and functionality with its innovative multifunctional design. This smart mouse seamlessly blends an Air Mouse wireless touchpad, presentation pen, and recording pen into one compact device. Weighing only 70 grams, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for those who need to stay mobile. The ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, making it ideal for extended use without discomfort. The Air Mouse operates in two modes: desktop and Air mode. Forged for peak performance in a footprint that barely claims your desktop, the Tecno Mega Mini Gaming G1 fuses raw speed, advanced cooling, and sleek design. At its core is the Intel Core i9-1390H processor, built with 14 cores, 20 threads, and a turbo boost of 5.4 GHz. Backed by 24 MB Intel Smart Cache, it handles intensive multitasking and AAA gaming with unrelenting ease. Slide into seamless control without touching your screen. This refined, open-ended smart ring adapts to every finger, no matter the size. Say goodbye to rigid rings and hello to comfort engineered for all-day wear. Whether your fingers swell after a workout or shrink in cold weather, this elastic design ensures a snug, stable fit. More than just a ring, it's a gesture-powered command center. Scroll through ebooks, adjust volume like short videos, or flip through presentation slides without reaching for your phone. Breathe new purpose into outdated iPads with iFrameX, a seamless way to transform idle tech into useful home displays. Whether it's showcasing cherished memories, tracking local weather, or serving as a sleek digital clock, iFrameX unlocks practical value from old devices while cutting down on unnecessary e-waste. iFrameX combines an intuitive app with a custom charging module so your iPad stays powered around the clock without cluttered cables. When you're on the move and demand purity with precision, this bottle responds with innovation. Crafted for the forward thinker, it combines intelligent hydration tracking with advanced filtration and self-cleaning power, all housed in a sleek stainless steel body. The built-in essential filter eliminates chlorine, PFAS, and other unwanted elements, leaving you with crisp, clean-tasting water wherever you are. The bottle practically cleans itself so you don't have to. Designed from double-wall, vacuum-insulated 1880 stainless steel, your drink stays ice cold for a full 24 hours, no matter the heat outside. Stargazing just met its next evolution. Whether you're on a rooftop in the city or camping under open skies, Hestia transforms your smartphone into a powerful astrophotography tool. No bulky equipment or rocket science required. Designed with precision and elegance, Hestia reshapes everything you thought a telescope could be. Compact as a 6x9-inch book and featherlight at under 2 pounds, it slips into your bag with ease, ready for adventure whenever you are. Tread redefines portable pizza ovens, offering unmatched mobility and performance. This ultra-rugged, lightweight oven is designed to deliver high-temperature cooking anywhere, whether you're at a campsite, tailgate, or remote destination. With its adventure-ready insulation, Tread ensures that every pizza comes out perfectly cooked, even in challenging environments. The oven pairs effortlessly with the Venture Stand, allowing you to set up an outdoor kitchen wherever your adventures take you. Breathe beneath the waves without the burden of traditional tanks. Sea Air redefines how we explore the underwater world. Engineered for simplicity and efficiency, this fully self-contained tankless diving system floats effortlessly on the surface while delivering clean, reliable air to divers below through a high-performance battery-powered compressor. Compact and lightweight, Sea Air makes every dive smoother, longer, and more accessible, whether you're exploring coral reefs or gliding through calm coastal waters. The Maca To Go stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the amzn.to is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. From first light to deep dusk, this intelligent home sentinel never rests. Equipped with face recognition, it identifies familiar faces and alerts you instantly to unknown visitors. Its early fire detection system scans for smoke signatures and sudden thermal spikes, giving you precious seconds when it matters most. Safety extends indoors with elder fall recognition, which notifies caregivers the moment a tumble is detected. No delay, no guesswork. The EasyPlay 1S is a compact and versatile music keyboard designed for both beginners and experienced musicians. Its 25-key 3x5 layout provides a convenient and portable option for creating music on the go. Additionally, the EasyPlay 1S offers an impressive 8 hours of continuous playtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions, whether you're practicing, composing, or performing. Wherever you are, at home, on the road, or mid-travel, your health shouldn't wait. The BMO 4-in-1 Multiscan delivers real-time health insights in the palm of your hand, helping you care for your family or yourself with accuracy and speed. Built with 4 advanced medical-grade sensors, this compact handheld tool monitors temperature, cardiovascular, and respiratory systems, and supports telehealth integration, giving you a complete health snapshot in under 60 seconds. BMO goes beyond temperature checks. Record a full 1-lead ECG in just 30 seconds to detect arrhythmias like AFib, then share it instantly via HealthLink for a specialist review, available within 24 hours. The COR pump is a powerful and compact solution designed to elevate your kitesurfing experience. With a maximum output of 15 psi, it ensures fast inflation, reducing pump time by up to 50%. Its travel-size design makes it convenient for carrying to your next adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach or the lake, this pump is ideal for all types of kites, paddleboards, and even car tires, offering versatility in one portable package. Voon Sports Soccer introduces a cutting-edge smart rebounder designed to take your game to the next level. Built for both training efficiency and performance, this innovative device offers double rebound action, ensuring a quick and dynamic response to every strike. Its powerful integrated lights bring extra intensity to your sessions, making it perfect for day or night training. Its easy setup allows you to start training in minutes, so you can focus on improving your skills without any hassle. The DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as an ideal choice for both beginner and experienced drone enthusiasts. With its lightweight build weighing just 0.549 pounds, it offers an impressive balance between portability and performance. This drone features a powerful 4K camera, enabling stunning high-definition aerial footage that meets the demands of creative professionals and hobbyists alike. The 34-minute flight time ensures ample opportunity to capture expansive views or complete intricate aerial tasks. Low Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort,